self-isolators. Gonna make do some sea bass today with a Greek salad. So first of all, I'm gonna do the salad. Got a cucumber. Let's put it into this. I'm gonna cut that into chunks like that. Throw them in there. Maybe a bit more. That's it. Then we're going to do a few small tomatoes. Delicious. Cut them up randomly. Like that. Next thing we do is get some feta cheese. Break it off and then crumble it in there. Like that. That should be enough, I think. Give it to me. Now unfortunately I've run out of olive oil, so I'm just going to put a little bit of vegetable oil on because that's all we have left. Season it, salt and pepper, and give that a nice mix up. And leave that to one side while we cook the sea bass. Nice bit of sea bass there. Turn the hob on, nice and hot, pan on there. As I've got no other sort of oil, I'm going to give it a go cooking it in coconut oil. That should do, I think. A bit more maybe. We'll just let that melt down. Right, when that oil is nice and hot, open these up. There we go, I'm going to put them in skin side down. That's it. We want to sort of flatten them so they don't curl up. Turn the heat down to medium heat. Nice. Right like that. Just give them a quick season as well. And when that's 3/4 of the way through, gonna flip them over, get a nice crispy skin there, get it out, finish them off another minute or so. Right, and when they're done, burn them nicely onto there, like that. Finish them off with a little bit of lime. Delicious lunch sorted.